Disclaimer: do not take apart your Wooting 2 keyboard if you aren't confident enough in your skills. Do not take apart your Wooting 2 keyboard if it is still attached to any source of electricity for the safety of your keyboard and yourself. Wooting and me are not responsible for any damages to your Wooting keyboard or injuries that you inflict upon yourself or others by doing this. First, I will show you which keycaps we need to remove to take the Twooting apart. We start with Control left, Win key left, Alt left, spacebar, Function key, Control right, arrow down, arrow right, numpad comma, numpad enter, numpad 9, numpad 8, page down, end, home, page up. This will be dependent on your layout. If you use an ANSI layout, remove the enter and comma key. If you use an ISO layout, remove the 2 keys in the next 2 locations I'm showing you. So hashtag for me, A for me, H key, G key, 1 key, the circumflex, F1, F2, F7, F8, print screen, pause, A3, and the mode key. So now we will remove the keycaps with the keycap puller on this side with the shorter legs. Push down real hard until you hear 2 clicks and pull up. That's all you gotta do. For larger keys like the spacebar, you should usually use 2 keycap pullers. I only got 1 right now, so just do it a bit more carefully and you're fine as well. Some keys like that numpad enter key right now are a bit harder to pull, while my numpad 8 and 9 for example are really easy to pull off. And yeah, just be careful when pulling upward. If you got an older Twooting with older keys, or an older Wooting I should say, you might accidentally break the stem if you try to pull in a funny angle, so just be careful, don't apply too much force, and yeah. That's it. Now to unscrew the top plate, we just get out our favorite screwdriver with a JIS size 0 tip preferably. You could also use a Phillips size 1 screwdriver, but it's more likely to damage the screws since they are designed to be used with a JIS size 0 screwdriver. You just unscrew all the 15 screws in the shown locations. I will link a picture with all the screw locations in the description. And that's pretty much it. There's only one more step to it after you have unscrewed all of them. Whoops. And the last screw. Oh, come on. Yeah, done. Now for the last part, you will just need to pick up your Wooting 2 keyboard and make a sort of, I guess, crescent shape with it, and as you can see, the top plate comes loose all on its own. That's it. Now you just have to put it back together. Have fun. And yeah, I will see you.